How to grow your real estate business in England with videos using Fliki. Hey there, real estate agents. Tired of the same old marketing tactics? Want to know how to grow your real estate business in England with videos? In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, even if you've never created a video before. Video is no longer optional, it's essential. Think about it. Potential buyers are searching online for properties, neighborhoods, and agents. Are you showing up? People are searching for things like real estate video marketing England, English property videos, video marketing for realtors UK, and best video platform for real estate agents. We'll cover all of that and more. Video builds trust, showcases properties in their best light, and positions you as the go-to expert in your area. It's time to leverage the power of video. Fliki is the best for England real estate agents. Fliki is a game changer for real estate agents. It's an AI-powered platform that transforms text into engaging videos in minutes. No more expensive equipment or complicated editing software. With Fliki, you can create stunning property tours, neighborhood spotlights, client testimonials, and even explain the videos about the buying or selling process. How to generate leads with Fliki as an English real estate agent. Imagine turning your property descriptions into captivating video tours, or transforming client reviews into powerful social media ads. Fliki makes it easy. Fliki has a step-by-step tutorial on using Fliki to create real estate videos for English agents. Let's dive into how to create amazing real estate videos using Fliki. First, sign up for a free account. The link is in the description below. Next, choose a video template or start from scratch. Fliki offers a variety of templates specifically designed for real estate. Simply paste your text, select a voiceover. Fliki has tons of realistic AI voices, and add visuals. You can upload your own photos and videos or choose from Fliki's extensive library of stock footage. Fliki's AI voice options and stock footage library can do it all. Customize the video to match your brand. Add your logo, colors, and fonts. Fliki makes it easy to create professional-looking videos that reflect your unique style. Real estate agents can add text overlays, music, and transitions in Fliki. Don't forget to add a call to action at the end of your video. Encourage viewers to visit your website, schedule a consultation, or browse your listings. Creating great videos is only half the battle. You need to optimize them for search engines to reach a wider audience. Use relevant keywords in your video title, description, and tags. Think about what potential buyers are searching for, such as houses for sale in your area or best real estate agent in your town. Promote your videos on social media and embed them on your website. The more views and engagement your videos get, the higher they'll rank in search results. As an English real estate agent, more YouTube views equals more leads. Try Fliki for free to make a video of your listings. Remember to take lots of photos of the property. Need some inspiration? Here are a few video ideas to get you started. Property tours. Showcase the best features of your listings. Neighborhood spotlights. Highlight the amenities and attractions of different areas. Client testimonials. Share positive experiences from satisfied clients. Market updates. Provide valuable insights into the local real estate market. Ask Me Anything videos. Answer common questions from buyers and sellers. Do you want to grow your real estate business in England? So, are you ready to transform your real estate business with the power of video? Fliki makes it easier than ever to create engaging, professional-looking videos that attract new clients and close more deals. Try turning text into stunning videos. Don't wait any longer. Sign up for a free Fliki account today using the link in the description below. Start creating videos that showcase your expertise and attract your ideal clients. Now, I want to hear from you. What type of real estate video are you most excited to create? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your fellow agents, and subscribe to my channel for more real estate marketing tips. Thanks for watching.